What you did to Honorable Sihle Zikalala is painful, that thing. When you see Sihle sitting down on a chair and that white man of a minister sitting next to him,
Uzifake zonke enyameni kuSihle Zikalala umnumzane Julius Malema ngesikhathi ekhuluma nomnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa elaphana ke kwi-debate eParliament ethi nje lento oyenze kuSihle Zikalala isono ukuthi ke umbeke eduze kwaloya mlungu njengoba kumbona uthi nje uthothobele ke sengathi ke ingane elambile. Angiqale ngubingelele ngwamngele le channel eMaswidi Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi umfana kaDlomo. Uma ukuthi ke uyaqala ukufika le channel cela ukuthi kwenzele iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaw like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje. Kuthunukale amanxeba kuSihle Zikalala ngesikhathi umnumzane Julius Malema weqembu le-EFF ehlekisa ngaye sakumlekelela eParliament kwi-debate ebhekeneke nomnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ethi ke ibhlungu lento akayenza kuSihle Zikalala ukuthi ke ahlaleke kulesikhundla sakhe sika Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure kusukela ngo-2019 kuze kushaya lo nyaka ka-2023. Kuthi ke ngoba nakho ke manje sekuvotiwe ke sekukhona lapha bese ke kuzongena ke owebalela imhlophe weqembu le-DA afike ke yena qhwakele efika athatheke isikhundla sakhe uSihle Zikalala bese yena uSihle Zikalala azoba ke udeputy waleso sikhundla. Ubeke esenezelela ngelithi isidingo sominister nje siyinto engekho lapha eMzansi Afrika, abaziwa umuntu nomsebenzi abawenzayo awukho, kuhlala nje office kudliweke imali. Kodwa ke ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho mangabe usuqedile ungenzele iqiniso lokuthi subscribe ya like bese uyakhomenta sidibane kwi-video landelayo. Ngiyabonga.
What you did to Honorable Sihle Zikalala is painful, that thing. When you see Sihle sitting down on a chair and that white man of a minister sitting next to him, instead of just removing Sihle and closing that deputy ministry, you humiliate him in a manner you have done. Deputy ministers do not have a role to play. They are unnecessary. We put a lot of money in the offices of deputy ministers who are not even known by anyone.